Hi everyone, my name is Ethan and I've been working with tractors now for over half a decade. I've owned my own John Deere 8300 and 4640 since opening my own farm 2 years ago. I've teamed up with Friday Parts to share 5 essential tips and tricks on maintaining older tractors in the summer. Let's get started. First, let's start with the 5 maintenance tips. Always check your 3 main fluids weekly. This includes oil, coolant, and hydraulic fluid. Checking these 3 fluids daily is key to your tractor's performance as the summer heat can evaporate them quicker. You can also run heavier weight engine oil as it will reduce the amount of evaporation. But make sure to watch your coolant level and engine temperature. Not paying attention to these can cause a lot of damage to your tractor. Things like cracked radiators, warped engine heads, and even worse, locking up your motor. But don't forget about your filters. Make sure to check and replace your air, oil, and fuel filters following the maintenance schedule. And make sure to check your air filter daily as they can become less effective in dry and dusty conditions. This prevents potential engine damage and improves efficiency. Before I get to the last points, here's a few special things to know about tractor care and maintenance during the summer. Always grease joints, bearings, and pivot points to reduce friction and wear. Plus, make sure your radiator is clean and free of debris. Consider using a radiator flush to keep the inside in optimal condition. And make sure to use a high-quality fuel. Maybe even consider using a fuel stabilizer to prevent fuel from degrading in hot summer heat. As for the last point, electronics are critical. Be sure to keep the battery terminals clean and the batteries fully charged. Be sure to always check your wiring harness for any wear and tear, and if there's any dirt and debris, remove it for proper ventilation. Check the serpentine belt too for proper tension and wear and replace if necessary. As for fuses and relays, keep spares on hand and replace if there are any signs of damage. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you learned a lot about maintaining your tractor. If you want to know more tips and see more accessories, you can check the Friday Parts website too. Make sure to let me know what you'd like to see in the comments section and make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.